Hello and welcome back. So today in this tutorial we'll be looking at another type of question based on trigonometric ratio of multiple angle. So this is our question, and actually this video is dedicated to Mr. Prabhuda Kadil, as he's asked me to solve this question on Facebook. So to solve this question, at first I'm going to take the left hand side of this equation and try to solve for my right hand side. So here is my left hand side of the equation, which is cos to the power 8 theta plus sine to the power 8 theta. At first I'm gonna write it in form of cos 4 theta whole squared, and then sine to the power 4 theta, and then the whole squared. Now it is in the form of a squared plus b squared, and we have the formula for a squared plus b squared, which is a plus b whole squared and minus 2ab. Now let me substitute the formula here. I have a plus b and then the whole squared and minus 2 cos to the power 4 theta dot sine to the power 4 theta. And once again what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna change cos 4 theta and sine 4 theta in terms of its square. So I have cos squared theta and then whole squared and sine squared theta and then the whole squared, and here comes my next whole squared minus the remaining term. I'm gonna write it as it is. Now once again I'm going to use the formula for a squared plus b squared, which is a plus b whole squared minus 2ab. So I get a plus b whole squared and then minus 2 cos squared theta sine squared theta and then the whole squared, and then the remaining term I'm gonna write it as it is. Now we have the formula for cos squared theta plus sine squared theta, which is definitely 1. 1 squared is 1, and then the remaining term I have 2 cos squared theta sine squared theta and then the whole squared, and then the remaining term once again I'm going to write it as it is. Now I have to use another formula here. If this my first expression is a and my second expression is b, it is in the form of a minus b whole squared, and I'm gonna use the formula for a minus b whole squared. So here I have a squared minus 2a b is 2 cos squared theta dot sine squared theta, and then plus b squared is 2 cos squared theta sine squared theta and then its whole square, and I have my remaining term, and I'm gonna write it as the same way. Now let us see what we have here. 1 squared is 1, and 2 times cos squared theta sine squared theta is 4 cos squared theta sine squared theta, and then I have 2 cos squared theta sine squared theta whole squared, which is definitely 4 sine to the power 4 theta and then cos to the power 4 theta, and at last I have 2 cos to the power 4 theta dot sine to the power 4 theta. So this gives 1 is 1, so we can write this in form of 2 cos theta dot sine theta and then the whole squared, and 4 sine to the power 4 theta cos to the power 4 theta minus 2 cos to the power 4 theta sine to the power 4 theta. We can simply subtract it. 4 minus 2 is 2, and then sine to the power 4 theta cos to the power 4 theta. Now what I can write is 1 minus 2 cos theta sine theta is the formula for sine 2 theta, and then I have whole squared, and to change this remaining term in terms of sine 2 theta, I can simply write here 16 and multiply it with 1 by 8 so that I can get 2 as in my question. So 1 by 8 times 16 times sine to the power 4 theta dot cos to the power 4 theta. This term is equivalent to this term. Once again what I can do is sine 2 theta whole squared is simply sine squared 2 theta Then I have 1 by 8 here times 16 can be represented in terms of 2 to the power 4 sine to the power 4 theta dot cos to the power 4 theta. But instead of writing this, what I'm going to do is simply, for this whole sum, I'm going to write sine 2 sine theta cos theta and keep this simple whole power 4. So finally what we can write is 1 minus sine squared 2 theta plus 1 by 8, and then for this it is the formula for sine 2 theta. 2 sine theta dot cos theta is formula for sine 2 theta, and then power 4, so we can write sine 4 to the power 2 theta, and this is the term we need as our right hand side. So we approve this question. If there is any confusion, you can mention it in the comment section below. And yes, thanks for watching.